Hello and welcome to this episode of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathan Skinner. Today we're looking at some trimmed front seats for the Austin Healey 3000 BJ8. Now these have been trimmed in-house, starting from scratch, so the frames, the foams, the covers, all brand new, and then we've trimmed them up. They're a rather unique colour scheme, so they've gone completely off-piste for original spec. These are full leather. Obviously the majority of BJ8s left with vinyl ambler seats, which, as I'm sure you're aware, normally featured a square embossed pattern on the pleats, and the piping was that sort of silver chrome around the outside, often goes gold in sunlight. We do offer that as standard for our vinyl ambler seats, but these are full leather seats, not to be confused with leather faced, which is commonly referred to in the industry as leather. So these are everything's leather, even the backs of the seats here are leather, even down to the surrounds here of the locating frames are leather. We have an in-house leather skiving machine which allows us to thin that material down, allowing us to attain a nice neat finish. These have been done in sand grained leather, and the piping is dark brown antiqued. The piping is outer piping only, contrasting. As you can see, the inside piping is still sand there, so we can offer a wide variety of choices there, so just ask and we shall tell. But yeah, really nice job, really chuffed with these. They're a really hard seat to trim. They're generally the Healeys, especially the backrest squabs, notoriously tight fitting, as I'm sure you've probably read on the internet, and I've made abundantly clear in my other videos if you've seen any of them. So really tight fitting. They are that by design. They're not meant to be easy, but as you can see, if you get it right, they look really, really nice. No bagginess at all, which is the result you should be looking for. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't get past this pinch point here, which is the crucial area, and that means that you get a lot of bagginess up here, or bagginess sort of here and here. And it's worth noting at this point that a few of our competitors in the industry have made their seat covers bigger to make the trimming process easier, but unfortunately it means that once you are past that pinch point with the bigger seat covers, you just get a lot of air gaps that you have to then try and fill in. So we've kept ours to the original spec. Like I say, they're not easy, they're not meant to be easy. We're more than happy to help and guide you or your trimmer in the best way of achieving these results. But as you can see, if it's done the correct way, it really does look the part. So we do encourage that attitude, shall we say, towards your restoration. Yeah, really nice seats, really happy with them. Really looking forward to seeing them in the car. Customers over in America who's gone for a full leather kit, all in this sort of colour scheme. So excited to see that when all the work is done. Yeah, I think that's probably about it. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with other classic car enthusiasts. Until next time, cheers.